How to empty trash in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, at the left side, click on More. After you've clicked on More, at the left side, it will expand. And in here, scroll down and you'll find Trash. Click on Trash. After you click on trash, you'll find this kind of screen. Now, at the top, click on the box, which is select. After you click on it, everything will be selected. Now, beside that, click on delete forever. After you click on delete forever, beside the box, all your trash will be emptied. And this is how to empty trash in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.